Hello, in this video I will show you how to split windows in Windows 11. So you can simply hold your mouse and drag it to the left side of the middle of the left side and put it here. However, the Windows 11 has a new feature called slab layout. When you move your mouse to the square here, the layout option will show up. Then you can choose which one you want. For example, I choose this one. It will show you here which one you want, which window you want to put. I want to put this windows, and then it will split in the, because I only have 4 windows open, so it will split in 4 windows. Okay, so hope you enjoy this video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.